In this episode of Mod Mondays, we'll go from this boring halogen interior lights to this bright LED lights in less than 10 minutes. Let's go. The bulbs that I use on this installation is the Everbright T10 194 LED lights. I got the white version, but you can get these in various colors. Each pack comes with 20 bulbs, which allows for extra in case one goes out in the future. I'll leave the link in the description box below for these bulbs and for all the materials I use in this DIY install. Let's start by installing the front dome lights on this Honda Civic. You're going to need a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver to get the lens out and access the old bulb. Start by sliding your pry tool in between the plastic and the cover. Gently pull down until you hear the lens unclick from the grooves. Once you have access, remove the old halogen interior bulb by pulling down gently. Be careful, especially when storing these, as sometimes these can be warm. Now gently insert the new LED lights back in its place. The specific LED lights that I bought only works in one direction, so in case it doesn't work at first, pull it back out, replace it, and this should fix the issue. Once you have the new bulb installed, reinstall the lens back carefully and repeat on the other side. Now let's change the rear dome lights on this Honda Civic. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver or a similar pry tool. Gently pull the cover off by sliding the flat head in between the plastic and the cover by the back of the dome lights, like such. Pull down when you hear the lens clip unclicking from the grooves. Once you have access, remove the old bulb by pulling it to the side. Again, careful when storing the old bulb, as these can be warm. Once this is done, put the new LED lights in its place, similar to the front dome lights. Again, this specific one that I bought only works in one direction. So in the case that yours doesn't work at first, pull it out, flip it, reinstall it, and that should fix the issue. Once you have the new bulb installed, reinstall the lens back carefully, making sure that you start by putting the tabs in first and pushing the back. Moving on to the trunk lights of the Civic. Use the same pry tool as the front dome lights or a flathead screwdriver. Insert the pry tool inside and wiggle it until it unclicks. Remove the lens carefully to access the old bulb. To unclip the lens from the wire, push the top tab while pulling down carefully. Once you have access, pull the old bulb out and put it aside. Again, careful as the bulb may be warm. Once this is done, grab the new LED lights and place it similar to the front and the rear dome lights. Clip the lens back in the wire and gently reinstall it back on the trunk housing. Finally, let's install the license plate lights on this Honda Civic. This will be the longest part of the install as we need to remove the trunk liner. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the black clips that attach the liner to the trunk. There are a total of 10 clips that you'll need to carefully pry and pull like this. Repeat this for all the other 10 clips along the trunk liner. There is one clip by the latch that will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Unscrew this as well and remove the liner in order to access the bulbs. Remove the lens housing to access the bulb by pushing the tab to release the lock. After this is done, carefully remove the old bulb. Again, this may be warm, so use gloves or other protective equipment as necessary. Place the new LED back in its place, and if it doesn't work at first, flip it, and that should fix the issue. When this is done, reinstall the lens back carefully by pushing the tabs in while inserting the lens back into the housing. Repeat these steps on the other side. After this is complete, replace the liner by securing it with the black clips, starting with the last one you took out with a Phillips screwdriver. Follow these steps by installing the other 10 black tabs, securing the liner back to the trunk. And that's it for this week's episode of Mod Mondays. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. Make sure to click that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. See you on the next one.